complete blizzard has been reported by the Weather Channel, and I'll show you some of the snow drifts. Over here is our car. You can see that there's a line of snow behind it, and the drifts go right along the side of it, so you wouldn't be able to tell what that was. And then in the front, it's gotten this snow here. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out for a while. Over there's my neighbor's truck and car in their driveway. You can see the wind blew some of the snow right off the front. That's not because of wax, believe me. And then there's what the street looks like. There's my son's car and my car out in the street. We just did shovel out enough to get out of the driveway. And if you look around and look, went down here. There's our mailbox. We want to be able to get mail someday in the future, but I don't know how that's going to work out. We have the snow on both sides, and right in front of us is the actual amount of snow, I guess. I'll lean the broom up against it, and you can see that it goes up about 2 feet. I don't have the measure, the ruler for you, but you'll just have to take my word for it. It's about 2 feet deep, and that's without any buildup from being next to a building or away from a building. That's right there, the sidewalk, which I need to finish clearing off. All right, that's weather 2010. And out into our backyard. Got my little spot down here where my doggy can go to the bathroom. And there's some lawn chairs left out of the summertime. Oh, and there's our barbecue grill. And our cabana with the top down, and our picnic table with about I don't know. Oh, and there's my hot tub that's up on the side for the winter. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but if you look closely, that indentation is my my in-ground pool. The weight of that snow is causing the cover to yield that much. That's one of those covers you can walk over.